In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some key features on Shopify that, once mastered, will streamline your store management and order creation process. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will take you step by step through important functionalities in your Shopify admin dashboard. To start off, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel by logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the home section of your store. This is where you'll find key insights and updates about your store's activity, a great way to stay informed about how your business is doing at a glance. Next, let's move on to the Orders section. Simply look at the left-hand side navigation and click on Orders. This area plays a central role in managing the lifeblood of your store, your orders. Here you can see all incoming orders, their statuses and details, essential for keeping track of sales and processing them efficiently. If you want to create an order manually, the Shopify platform makes this straightforward. After accessing the Orders tab, find and click on the Create Order button. This feature is particularly useful for custom sales that occur outside of your online storefront, perhaps over the phone or in person. From here, you can directly input all the necessary details and have it accurately reflected in your records. At this point, one of the things you might want to do is adjust the currency for the order, especially if you're dealing with international customers. Thankfully, Shopify gives you a flexible tool to do just that. On the order creation page, look for an option labeled Currency. Give that a click. This allows you to select the appropriate currency for the transaction you're processing, ensuring clarity and precision for both your business and your customers. Remember, handling orders and managing different currencies can seem daunting at first, but with Shopify's intuitive design, you'll quickly grow comfortable with navigating and utilizing these features. Take your time to explore each section thoroughly. If you need to make changes later, you can always revisit these steps and modify the details to suit your current needs. With these insights and actions at your disposal, you're well on your way to using Shopify more effectively. By mastering these few steps, you not only enhance your administrative efficiency, but also create a more seamless shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and remember, harnessing these tools confidently will propel your store toward greater success. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks in future videos.